Replacing the battery in your 2007-2014 GMC Yukon key fob, including Denali and XL models, is a simple DIY task. You'll need a CR2032 battery, which costs around $2 to $5. Use a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool. Insert it into the keyring release and gently pry along the seam to open the fob. Remove the old battery, noting the positive side's orientation, and replace it with the new CR2032 battery. Snap the case back together and test the key fob by pressing buttons near your vehicle. High-quality aftermarket batteries from brands like Energizer or Duracell are recommended, especially if you live in a cold climate. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, try reprogramming it by cycling the ignition or using a specific key sequence. Insulated tools are essential to preventing static discharge, which can damage the fob's circuitry. Metal objects can weaken the key fob signal, so make sure no metal objects are obstructing the path. Although rare, you can use OBD2 scanners for reprogramming, which may reduce the need to visit a dealer. If experiencing battery drain issues, changing to a lithium-ion variant, though non-standard, can help extend the battery's life.